In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate Etherscan to interact with smart contracts. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast wanting more insight into your transactions or a developer looking to interact directly with a smart contract, this guide will ensure you're well equipped for the task. To start, the first thing you need to do is open Etherscan. Etherscan is a useful and robust tool for Ethereum blockchain exploration and analytics, and it can be accessed by simply entering the URL http://etherscan.io into your web browser. Once the page loads, you'll see a search bar prominently located at the top of the home page. This is the starting point for most of the exploration and interaction you'll do. The next step involves locating the specific contract you wish to interact with. To do this, you'll need the contract's address. This address is a unique string of characters that acts like an identifier for the contract you're interested in. Paste this contract address into the search bar and hit Enter. Doing so will direct you to the specific contract page within Etherscan dedicated to that particular address, offering various options for interaction. Once you are on the contract's dedicated page, look for the Contract tab. This tab is crucial as it opens up multiple functional options. You'll find this option near the top row of tabs, next to Overview and other basic details about the contract. Clicking on Contract will provide you with three main sub-options: Code, Read Contract, and Write Contract. If your goal is to review on-chain information without connecting a wallet, you should begin by exploring the Read Contract section. This area provides a wealth of information straight from the blockchain, such as data fields and function calls that can be reviewed. It's particularly helpful if you're looking to verify parameters or check the status of a contract's properties. The beauty of this feature is that it allows insights without necessitating any transactions or wallet connections, maintaining a layer of safety as you explore. Finally, if you're looking to engage more directly, the Write Contract section is where you want to be. This portion allows you to interact with the smart contract directly by executing certain functions that can update states or trigger contract events. To make modifications, however, you will need to connect a Web3 wallet, as changes involve executing transactions on the Ethereum network. Make sure you know the functions you intend to call, as this can include anything from transferring tokens to activating contract functionality, and always double-check any interactions to avoid errors. By following these detailed steps, you will be well on your way to understanding and utilizing smart contracts with ease. Whether you're reviewing data or executing functions, Etherscan provides all the necessary tools right at your fingertips.